is called urol. So when the mixer grinder was not there, people used to make rice powder with this. It requires a lot of physical strength. I don't know, I will never be able to use this. I don't know how my mom does. This is the bigger one, and the smaller one is Saloni, and this is rice powder. So this Saloni is used to filter out the rice powder. I mean, to make it more smooth. The mixer should be very, very smooth. Rice powder has to be mixed with coconut, little bit of water and sugar. Then it has to be mixed very well. So this is called tekeli, and that's how the name of the pitha goes to tekeli pitha. So the water is there. The water is kept there to boil, and the mixture, the rice powder and the coconut mixture will be placed over it. She is putting all the contents inside. Then cover it well. Put it over the teapot so that it can cook well with the steam. And it has been clogged so that steam cannot come out, so that the pitha can cook very well. You can see. It's hot. It's ready.